Hey, how's it going? It's Ara here. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, do me a big favor on your way in. Hit the subscribe button down below, tap the bell icon, and this way you'll be notified of all future videos on this channel. And of course, if you find today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up as it lets me know that you like this and you want to see more. So starting today, what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be starting a brand new training series right here on this channel, a step-by-step daily series where I'm going to be showing you exactly how I create a full-time income online working as little as 1 hour a day. You could do this either from your desktop or even your phone. And this is going to be a step-by-step training series on high-ticket affiliate marketing. So if you want to create a full-time income online in a very newbie-friendly way, regardless of if you're either brand new to this, if you've never made a dime online, or maybe if you are someone who, you tried a bunch of other things before, you haven't had any sort of real momentum online or any sort of real breakthrough, this series right here, I have this all set up in a way where even as a complete newbie, you could follow this as a complete beginner, and you're going to be able to see literally over the shoulder what I do on a day-to-day basis to create a full-time income online. And the benefit with this is in this series, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be leveraging a system that allows you to earn from multiple income streams simply by sharing one link, right? This allows you to earn not just high-ticket commissions like $1,000 per day, $2,000 days, but this is also really great for residual income, as you could see right here, as well as from multiple other income sources that I will go over in this video right here, right? But of course, real quick, I'll mention, if you see any option on this video to save this playlist, whether it is, bookmarking the page if you're on desktop, or you might also have an option if you're on the app where you could just hit the Add All To button, and then you could just save this playlist to your YouTube account. And this will be beneficial if, let's say down the road, you lose the spot for this and you want to come back to these videos. It'll be beneficial if you just have this saved to your device, right? But this system right here, and I'm going to show you in a little bit how to get access to this, right? The system, as I mentioned, you are able to earn from multiple income streams online, and 90% of the work is done for you with the system compared to other ones where you got to, go out there, you got to build your own funnels, you got to build your own website. With this, you don't have to worry about anything technical. You don't have to worry about like setting up all this fancy stuff. This is a very simple system to leverage, and it's very beneficial to people who are just getting started, as you can create quite a lucrative income very quickly simply by getting plugged into this system that has been proven to convert for several years. Right now, what you're going to want to do is right below this video, the first link down below will take you over to a page that looks something like this. So you just want to open up that URL down below and try to open that up in either a new tab, or if you have another device, try to open up that URL on the side of this video, and that will take you right over to this page right here. It says, free video reveals how you could bank huge commissions from 4 income streams using one autopilot system. All you'll want to do here is, and I'll give a demonstration here. You just want to enter your name and email right here, click on the button, and then this will take you over to the video that explains more about how the system works, what you're getting access to, all the benefits, and really all that good stuff right there, right? Now, when you get to this page, this is important. Don't do anything just yet, because this is going to present you with the option of enrolling in their monthly membership. And what I'm actually going to be doing in this video a little bit later on is I'm going to be explaining how to get access to this exact system right here without having to worry about the monthly fee, and also how to position yourself for a higher earning potential for the same amount of work, right? So stick with me in this video because I'm going to go over all that right here. But this system right here, I want to show you some proof of concept in terms of what is possible here, right? So like I mentioned, I'm going to show you the dashboard right here. So this allows you to earn from 4 income streams. There's 4 main income streams right here, and what's really great about this is that this gives you not just ways that you could earn high ticket and residual income online, but all of these income streams right here are different products and services that will benefit you in terms of building any sort of online business, right? So all of these income streams right here, of course, the first income stream is the system itself, and then the other ones right here, you have online marketing training that you could use these online concepts for really anything that you want in the long term. You have a funnel builder, an email autoresponder, and then of course you have the 4th income stream, which allows you to get traffic and advertising towards any type of online business that you're doing, right? So all of these income streams right here are different products and services that benefit you in terms of growing an online business, and they're really great as far as income streams, as well as great products that have really great earning potential as well, right? So just to give you an idea, here's one of the income streams right here. that has paid me so far 2,500 right here. I've actually earned more than this, what you're seeing right here with this income stream, but because of when they did like an update on the dashboard, it basically reset the stats back to 0. So since the update, I've earned 2,500, but I believe I want to say I've earned over 10K with this income stream right here. Here's another one that's paid me over 2,600 so far. I've got another 135 that's going to be paid out right here. Here's another one that pays residual income, which has been really great. Here's another one that pays residual income. And what's really great about this, again, this is great not just for the, so it's great for high ticket commissions online, like the $1,000 days, $2,000 days. This is really great if you want to create a full-time income online very quickly. Of course, your results with this depend on, what you're willing to put into it. But the system has been proven to work for several members that I'll show you shortly in this video. But this system, like I mentioned, you could have these high ticket commission days online, which is really great if you want to create a full-time income online. You could realistically do that with just a small handful of sales with just one of the income streams. But then in the long term, it's really great as you could earn monthly residual income. And one thing that I'll kind of mention right here is I haven't really promoted a lot of these things recently. But what's really great about this is, I've, promoted the system, over a year, and I actually have quite a few members that have enrolled with me, some, several months ago, and some even over a year ago that still have their accounts active, and I'm continuing to get paid from work that I did well over a year ago, right? So this is really great for a long-term aspect as well as earning a very lucrative income right now, right? So one of the things that I'll show real quick right here, right? So I mentioned I haven't exactly promoted this exact system as of recent. I haven't been too active with this particular system because I was kind of focusing on a few other things, but I've just recently decided to come back and check this out. Only a few days after deciding to get back into the system, just this morning at 7 a.m., I woke up to a $200 commission that I got right here. This is my first $200 day that I've had since coming back to the system after being kind of inactive with it, for quite a while. But as you can see, I've had a $200 day with this real quick, and I've decided to come back because I know that in the past the system has converted extremely well. And one more thing that I'll kind of pull back the curtain on was kind of what's really interesting about this is I haven't even really promoted it that much just yet. I haven't really gotten too much into it. I kind of sent a little bit of traffic, but not really like fully going into it. And already, just with the effort that I put in, I've had a $200 day, which is pretty cool, right? So you can see that right here. And I also made a post about it in the Facebook group. And I also want to show a few other results from other members to show exactly what's possible, right? So this is working not just for people who have been in Make Money Online or online marketing for a while, but this is working for a lot of newbies as well, which is really great. So I like to stick with programs that I know are newbie friendly, ones that are converting really, really, really good for newbies. And so this system has definitely been around for quite a while, and a lot of members have had success with it, right? So here's Jamie, who got a $50 commission. We've got Scott Darvid, who got $600 with an income stream. We've got 288 paid out here, 72 paid out here with another one. We have John Yanoka, who got a $200 commission right here. Scott Darvid with $200. Jason Jordan with a $400 commission, so very good right here. Paulo Berengo, so like I mentioned, again, this is really great, not just for the residual, but also the high ticket commissions as well. And as you can see, Paulo Berengo got a $2,000 commission from the second income stream right here, which is what this one's really great for, right? So this right here is really beneficial. Like if you want to create a full-time income online, really think about this for a minute, right? Let's say your monthly income goal to start with is like, let's say $4,000 a month, right? Well, in this case, just with this one income stream alone, not even including the other income streams in the system, all you need is just two of these every month, and immediately you're at full-time income, and most likely even beyond that with the other income streams right here. And there's plenty of other results I could show you here. And what you'll notice, as I scroll through, this entire Facebook group is just filled with consistent income proof from several, not just people who have been in this for some time, but a lot of new members as well, which is really great for you if you want to, of course, plug into what works. So again, I always advocate for starting with what's converting, starting with what's working for a lot of new members, and then of course utilizing the training that I give you right here to of course see how I market this exact system right here, how you do the same thing. And the other benefit that I'll get into with this system is 90% of the work, as I mentioned, is pretty much all taken care of for you. So your only real focus with this system in order to really get results like what I showed you right here is just sending traffic, sending clicks over to these links right here. So rather than having to go out there, building out your own funnels, building out your own websites, writing out your own emails, all that type of stuff right here, you have the ability to earn while you learn, which is, what those other income streams that I mentioned earlier, they give you training and resources to help you learn the skill sets necessary that you will need for the long term if you want to succeed with really any type of online business in the long term, right? But with the system, you have everything all set up for you right here. The capture pages, the sales video that is known to convert extremely well. You have email follow-ups that go out for you on your behalf. And your only real focus here that you have to worry about is getting traffic, getting clicks over to this one link right here. And whenever someone goes and they opt in, then the system does all the selling and telling for you on the back end. And then of course you get the credit for that, for the system doing the selling and telling for you, as well as from the 3 other income streams that are inside the system. No additional work on your back end right there. So that's really the benefit of this exact system. And with this training right here, I give you all the training that you need to learn how to, drive traffic, how to get clicks over to your link. I show you multiple different ways you could do this, by the way. So it's not just like, oh, you have to just do this one method that I give you, right? There's multiple ways that you can go about it, which is really great. There's multiple different traffic methods that are inside the system from, a few of the income streams that you could use, such as it just logged me out real quick. But yeah, so you have traffic methods like, the 4th income stream right here, as well as with one of the bonus income streams, which is this one right here, which I'll of course go over as well in this series. And there's plenty of other ways you can go about it. There's Craigslist ads, there's paid traffic, there's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. I mean, there's plenty of different options out there. So even if you're someone who, let's say you don't have like a massive ad budget, or maybe you don't want to, be this ultra big social media influencer or something like that, there's plenty of different ways you can go about it in order to have success with this exact system. Right now, I mentioned earlier in this video that I will show you how to get access to this system without having to worry about the monthly fee. So what will happen is, when you go down to the first link down below, you go to this video, you will be presented with the option of enrolling to their monthly membership, right? So that'll be, $49 per month to, of course, activate your membership. And when you are subscribed to the monthly membership, that of course gives you access to this entire system, all the capture pages right here, the different income streams you could plug into as well. And then of course you have the ability to earn, residual and, annual commissions as well, right? So you get, you can get started for $49 a month. Now what will happen is, after you pay for your first month, you will then be presented with the option of canceling out your monthly fees and instead upgrading to the annual level, which upfront would be $349 upfront. And you'll see this when you go through the video, by the way. You'll see this right after you enroll. You will then be presented with the option of upgrading for $349 upfront to the annual membership. And then after that, it'll just be $399 per month. Now, my recommendation, and this is based on my own experiences, based on what I've seen with other members, unless if you're in a position where the monthly is all you could do right now, by all means go with that. But my recommendation is, if you can, go for the annual level. Try to stretch yourself and get positioned at the annual level. And there's a few reasons as to why I believe the annual level is really the way to go with this. So those who tend to get the best of results are those that go for the annual level. There's a few reasons for this. Number one, you are eligible to earn not just the monthly residual commissions, the $20 commissions, but also you are eligible to earn these $200 commissions as well for the same amount of work. And if you're not positioned at the annual level, then these types of, these ones right here, they get passed up to your sponsor. So, I'm not going to necessarily mind that if you're not positioned, because, I'll get the credit if someone, decides to upgrade, but I'd rather you get the credit if you're going to put in the work. So it's in your best interest to be positioned at the annual level, because not only are you going to be eligible to get these commissions, but also you're going to save more in the long term. You're going to save more. It costs less per year if you pay on the annual level versus the monthly. And also you have a higher earning potential, but more importantly, it's more of a mindset thing. When you are positioned as an annual member, you tend to take it much more seriously. You're much more committed. You take the training that I give you more seriously. You're going to take more action, and that will then lead to more results. But another way of looking at this is you have an entire year before you even get billed again. So you have an entire year to just make 2 sales at this level before you even get billed again, right? So you have an entire year, where you don't have to worry about any other like monthly payments or monthly fees. And as long as you follow what I give you right here, there's no reason why you should not be able to make, just 2 of these in a full year. In fact, I'm extremely confident that you could do that maybe like within 3 months, not even 3 months, most likely within your first month. And then from there, it's just simply a matter of rinse and repeat. And then of course, you're able to earn $200 at the very least from the first income stream, and then everything else that you could get from the other 3 income streams that I went over here, think of it as all of it as bonus, right? So it's additional income that you could earn for the same amount of work, the $1,000 days, $2,000 days, the other income streams that pay, monthly residual as well, and the other high ticket commissions you can get right here as well. So this is really great for you if you want to create a full-time income online, and if you want to potentially ditch your 9-to-5. This system has been proven for quite some time to convert extremely well. It's helped a lot of new affiliates ditch their 9-to-5s and create a full-time income online very quickly. So if you want to get access to this, and you want to, of course, if you're ready to, of course, create a full-time income online and potentially be on the path to ditching your 9-to-5, go down below, get your system set up, and then once you have your membership active, all you have to do is come right back here to the day number 1. I will show you how to get your system set up, how to get everything in place, and then of course everything after that will be the training, where I will show you exactly how to promote the system. So that being said, go down below, get started today. I'll see you on the inside, and take care. See you in the next one.